So in this collection, there are pieces where we're hearing from College Boy. But there are also some pieces where we hear from the other characters in the factory world. One of those characters is the sharpshooter. He's called the sharpshooter for a number of reasons. He was the guy who always had something to say. He was a hunter, so he always had these stories about his kills off in the hunting season. And he was also the one who had this famous factory accident story where, while building a high-pressure tube, he didn't put the pin in quite right, and the rod shot out and took off the tip of his pinky, left this huge hole in the wall. So I call him sharpshooter. And the sharpshooter, he was like this. He was this very grisly, sort of manly man. The perfect guy for a poet to be working with. And so this piece called College Boy is sort of a typical sharpshooter monologue during the workday. College Boy. No, college boy. The button first, and then the lever. The valve first, then the button, then you pull the lever. What the hell they teach you at that college boy? How does someone as slow as you make it round there? What do you study anyway at that college boy? What? That's what you study at college? English. You study English, college boy? Don't you know English? Didn't they teach you that when you were small? Hell, I've known English for 48 years. Where's my fucking PhD? What else do they teach there, college boy? Walking? Breathing? Take a shit? Can you major in those out there, college boy? No, college boy. The button first, and then the lever. So, college boy, what do you do when you ain't reading coloring books? Are you a partier? You party at that college boy? Your school's out in the cornfields. Ain't it out there? Ain't your school out in the cornfields and the farms there, college boy? Do you party in the barns there? Get drunk, roll in the hay? Am I gonna find a sore-ass sheep or goat if I come visit you at college? The button first, college boy. English. That's just sad. That's just sad, college boy. So what? You gonna write shit? Teach kids the ABCs? Go around using fancy-ass words? I get you. Yeah, I get you. You think it's gonna cut it? You think that's gonna get you somewhere? Nice car, nice clothes, nice food and shit. You think that, college boy? Well, don't worry. We'll keep your spot warm, college boy. We know you want it back when you can't pay for heat. Jesus, no, the button first, and then the lever. The valve first, and then the button, and then you pull the lever. Why are you so slow there, college boy? When you gonna learn?